This is Riccardo Tomasini, and now I'm going to show you how to run a simple web application in Java 8 using Spark Java. The code of this tutorial is on GitHub under Riccardo Tomasini/REST training. I'm going to write my code in IntelliJ and run my HTTP request using Postman. Now, in the main class of this application, I already set the port to 8080 using the port method, and I already created a get endpoint under /users that returns the JSON representation of all the users present in my application, which are stored in memory using a hash map. As for JSON representation, I use JSON from Google, which requires my users tab class to have an empty constructor and setter and getters for all these fields. The fields in this sense are ID, nickname, and email. The ID, which is important for us, is uniquely generated on server side. So let's create now a post request that create a user. We have users and we have request response. From the request, we extract the JSON representation of the user as the body of the request. Using JSON, we deserialize this into a JSON user stub class. Now, if the users tab is null, something went wrong. So we set the response status to 400 and we return user not created. Otherwise, we generate a string ID by using the UUID Java library. Then we set the user stub ID to ID. We save it in our hash map, and we return a positive response, which has a status code of 200 and returns user created with ID. We can simply run the code now. When we go on Postman, I already created a simple post request with one send, creates positive returns a user creation, while a get request under localhost 8080/users returns the list of all the available users. Thanks for listening, and that's it from my side.